Hello, this is G-Man 1 billion, and I'm going to show you some zippo tricks. Okay. Here's my zippo. Works pretty well. I'm actually going to turn the fan off because these tricks are going to require some motion. Okay, now, here's what I'm going to do. This is called the disappearing spark. Okay, that one's pretty cool. This is called the gun. Pretty cool. This is called fireball. And then this one is called the flipperoo. Okay. If you have any questions about more zippo tricks, I will demonstrate them. Just post your text comment, and I will make another video with the tricks that you requested or tricks related to your request. Goodbye.